Good morning, students. We have already learned chapter 2 nouns, and today we will write the textbook part. Okay, open your textbook, page number 66. Okay, opened. Now, write person, place, animal, or thing for these words. So, for these words, we have to write place, animals, or things or persons. Okay, see lion. We all know that lion is an animal, right? So, write down ANIMAL, animal. Okay, next cake. Cake is a thing, right? THING, thing. Next, see the next. Computer. Computer is also a thing. THING, thing. Okay. And see next. Man. Man is a person, right? So write the spelling of person. PERSON, person. Next, scientist. Scientist is also a person. PERSON, person. Dog, what about dog? Yes, dog is an animal, right? Write the spelling of animal. ANIMAL, animal. Okay. Next, lizard. Lizard is what? It is also an animal, right? ANIMAL, animal. Next, town. Town is a place, right? Write down PLACE, place. Next, street. Street is also a place. Write down the spelling of place. PLACE, place. Next, vase. Vase is a thing, right? Flower vase, like that. THING, thing. Pencil. Pencil is also a thing. THING, thing. Soldier. Soldier is a person, right? So write the spelling of person. PERSON, person. Now, Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a place, right? So write the spelling of place. And house. House is also a place. PLACE, place. London. London is also a place. PLACE, place. Okay. Next, factory. Factory is also a place. PLACE, place. Table. Table is a thing. THING, thing. Next, chisel. Chisel is a thing, right? THING, thing. Next, car. Car is also a thing. THING, thing. iPad, it is also a thing. THING, thing. Next, pavement. Pavement is a place. PLACE, place. Okay. Now, write examples of each of your own. Okay. So we have to write examples for person. Shall we write person example? Yes, tell me. Yes, man. Then boy. Then girl. GIRL, girl. Okay, these are examples of person. We can write many. Teacher, doctor. These are all examples of person. Right? Now, examples of place. House. You can write your own, students. School. SCHOOL, school. Then park. P-A-R-K, park. Okay. Many places. Okay. You can write any places. Next, examples of animals. Dog, then lion, L-I-O-N, lion, then cat. Okay, any animals you can write here. Next, examples of thing. Any things. I will write table, T-A-B-L-E, table, pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, then book, B-O-O-K, book. Many things we know. So you can write your own. Otherwise, write the same thing. Okay. Match the nouns. So here we can see the nouns and we have to match the nouns here. So man. Yes, man. Yes, here Ashok. Write D here. Mountain. Mountain. Mountain name. Yes, Kilimanjaro. Okay. F. State. State name. Yes, here Tamil Nadu. E. Okay. Country. Country name. Yes, here see. C. What? Japan. Okay. And building. Yes, see here India Gate. It is a building. Write down B here. And dog. It is fluffy, right? So write A. And now turn the next page, students. Next, see exercise D. Write down a noun for each picture clue. So here we have pictures. So we have to write the names for this. What is this first picture, students? Yes, it is a donkey. So write the spelling of donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. What is this picture? Yes, it is a bulb. So write the spelling of bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. Then what is this? Yes, it is a belt, right? Write the spelling of belt. B-E-L-T, belt. And what is this? Yes, it is a man, right? M-A-N, man. And see here, what is this? Yes, it is a kettle, right? K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Then what is this? Yes, it is a dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Then what is this? Yes, it is a fish. Write down fish spelling. F-I-S-H, fish. Then what is this? Yes, we use these for preparing curries. It is an onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Okay. Now underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. So we know that proper nouns are a special name, right? See here, the house is on Main Street. So the house is on Main Street. What is the proper noun given here? The house is on Main Street. So street name here, Main. So this is the proper noun, Main Street. Okay, underline it. Now, Rani went to friend's pet shop. So Rani went to friend's pet shop. So what are the proper nouns we can see here? Rani is a proper noun. Why? Because special name given to a noun. And friend's pet shop, another shop name. This is the shop name. Friend's pet shop. It is a shop name. So a particular name is given to the shop. So this is also a proper noun. Now Boulevard is a busy street. Okay. So here, what is the proper noun here? Yes, the proper noun is boulevard. So underline. Next, did you see Pinky at the party? Did you see Pinky at the party? Yes, in this sentence, the proper noun is Pinky. A particular name is Pinky, right? And now, see the next. Laura looked at the stars through her telescope. So, in this sentence, what is the proper noun, students? Name is given, that is Laura. So, underline. Next, have you ever used a Dell laptop? So, here, have you ever used a Dell laptop? So, the laptop name is mentioned. It is a particular name for the laptop. So, we have to underline Dell laptop. Okay. Next, December is a cold month. So, here, which month? December. Yes, I told you while I explained the lesson, month, mountains and everything will be proper noun. So, here, December is a month. So, a proper noun. Right? Underline it. Jayant is Raj's younger brother. So, a name is, particular name is given here. Right? Two names are here. First one is Jayant and Raj. So, these two are the proper nouns. Okay. Now, write proper nouns for these common nouns. So, what are common nouns? Common nouns are nouns that does not have a particular name or person or animal or thing. Understand? And it won't have a particular or a special name. That is common noun. See here, restaurant. It is a common noun. So, we have to give a name for this restaurant. Then it will be proper. Okay. So, shall we give a name? You can write your own name, students. I will write paradise. Okay. So, while we are writing proper noun, we have to write capital letters. Okay. Say the spelling of paradise. P-A-R-A-D-I-S-E. Paradise. Okay. Now, car. Car is a common noun. We have to write a name. Given a name. We have to give a name for the car. So, shall we give a name? Yes, I will give Maruti Swift. So, you can give your own. Okay. M, capital letter. Maruti, M-A. Next, R-U-T-I, Maruti. S, capital letter. S-W-I-F-T. S-W-I-F-T, Swift. Okay. Next, toy. Toy is a common noun, right? So, we have to give a name for the toy, okay? I will give Barbie, Barbie toy, okay? B, this is capital. Why? Because I am writing proper noun, okay? B-A-R-B-I-E. You can give your toy a name, okay? Otherwise, copy the same. Next, singer. Any singer. We can write any singer name. I will write A.R. Rahman. You can write your own. You can write Jeshudas. You can write what? Balasubramaniam. Whatever you like. Which singer. Okay. I write A.R. Rahman. R-E-H-A-M-A-N. Okay. Rahman. Okay. Now see here, students. Chocolate. Yes. What chocolate do you like? I like dairy milk. So I will write the dairy milk here. Okay. What chocolate do you like? You can write that. Dairy milk. So what is the spelling of dairy? D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy milk. M-I-L-K. Dairy milk. Now subject. Which subject do you like? I like English. So I like to write English subject here. So starting letter must be capital. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. Lish, English. Okay. See, all the letters are capital in the beginning. Next, drink. Which drink do you like, students? Yes, I like Sprite. And I will write Sprite here. Sprite, Sprite. Okay. Next, ocean. Yes, I will write Indian Ocean. You can write Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. These are all oceans. Okay. Indian, Indian, Ocean, ocean. Okay. And now turn the next page, students. Sorry, don't turn the next page. We have some more exercise part here. Write C for common noun and P for proper noun. Okay. We have to write C for common noun and P for proper noun. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. See. Does Jimmy really want to move to California? Here two nouns, Jimmy and California. Both are proper noun. Why? Because a particular name is given here. So we can write here P, proper noun. Next, why PP we wrote 2P? Why? Because first one is proper noun and second one is also proper noun. Ami will travel to Norway. Ami is a proper noun and Norway is also a proper noun, right? So shall we write? Okay. P. Which PlayStation is larger? Sony or Nintendo? Okay. Which PlayStation is larger? Yes, here PlayStation. So this is a common noun. Why? Because it is not a particular noun here. Just say common noun. So we can give C here. Next, grandmother wears brown glasses. So grandmother wears brown glasses. So grandmother is the noun here. Which type of noun this is? Yes, it is a common noun. Why? Because grandmother's name is not mentioned here. So this is a common noun. Right? See. I want to go to Disneyland. Okay. I want to go to Disneyland. So here Disneyland is a noun. So what type of noun it is? Yes, it is a proper noun. Why? Because name is mentioned. So it is a proper noun. Okay. Samantha and David are playing outside. So Samantha and David are playing outside. Both are proper nouns. Why? Because names are given for this sentence. So what will we write? Yes, we will write proper noun. Both two proper nouns. P and P. Okay, proper nouns. Next, Maria lives in Germany. So here also two nouns. Maria and Germany are nouns. So what type of nouns it is? It is a proper noun. P and P. Proper. Okay, proper noun. Next, cats are very cute. So cats. This is not a proper noun. It is a common noun. So it is a common noun. It is a common noun. Okay. Here P. Common noun. Next, Arushi will sing in a TV show. So here the proper noun Arushi. It is a proper noun. Next, Jin is in Hokkaido. So two nouns, that is Jin and Hokkaido. So these are proper nouns. So we have to write P. P means proper nouns. Now turn the next page, students. Circle the collective nouns. So we have to circle the collective nouns. See the first question, the family is planning a trip. So in this sentence, what is the collective noun? Yes, the collective noun is family. In a family, many members will be there. So it is a collective noun. Our team has won its first trophy. So in this sentence, what is the collective noun? Yes, team. This is the collective noun. Okay. The row of trees was planted by us. Okay, the row of trees was planted by us. So what is the collective noun in this sentence? Yes, it is row. Okay, collective noun is, yes, a row of trees. Row of trees. I gave him a bouquet of flowers. So what is the collective noun? What did he give? Yes, a bouquet of flowers. Okay. So this is the common noun. Now the audience clapped and cheered. So in this sentence, what is the collective noun? Collective noun is audience, right? The collective noun is audience. The audience, many will be there. So it is a collective noun. Next, fill in the blanks with the collective nouns. We have to fill the blank with the collective noun. See the question? We sat down in the shade of a dash of trees. Yes, tell me. A clump of trees. C-L-U-M-P, clump. Okay. The Prime Minister occupied a dash of rows at the hotel. Okay. So what is the collective noun? The Prime Minister occupied. The Prime Minister occupied. So what is the correct answer, students? Yes, the correct answer is suite. S-U-I-T-E. Okay. Next, she lost her balance and fell down a dash. Tell me, she lost her balance and fell down. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is what? See, number 3. Flight is the answer. Okay. She lost her balance and fell down a flight. Flight of steps. F-L-I-G-H-T. Okay. F-L-I-G-H-T. What pronunciation? As flight. Okay. Now see the next page. He was the leader of a well-known dash of criminals. He was the leader of the well-known dash of criminals. So what is the answer, students? Yes, the answer is gang. The answer is gang. G-A-N-G. Gang. Next, she was attacked by a dash of bees. Bees, group of bees, what will we call, students? Yes, swarm. What? Swarm. S-W-A-R-M. Swarm of bees. Okay. Next, she gave me a dash of old clothes to charity. So for charity, she gave me what? Yes, bundle. B-U-N-D-L-E. Bundle. Okay. Next, has anyone seen a dash of keys? Has anyone seen a dash of keys? Here dash Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. Let's play a game. Who is got a dash? What is the answer? Let's play a game. Yes, you are right. And the answer is pack. What is the answer? Pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. Underline the abstract nouns. Show courage in face of danger. So we have to underline the abstract nouns. Abstract nouns we all know. We can't see, but we can touch and we can feel. We can't touch, but we can yes, feel. Okay, that is abstract noun. See, in this sentence, what is an abstract noun? Show courage in face of danger. So the abstract noun is courage. Show courage. So underline courage and also danger. These two are abstract nouns. Honesty is the best policy. So in this sentence, what is the abstract noun? Yes, honesty. Honesty is the abstract noun. Okay. And here another one, policy. Policy is also an abstract noun. Next, life is full of joy. Life is full of joy. In this sentence, what is the abstract noun? Life is an abstract noun. Joy is also an abstract noun. Why life? We can't see. Joy we can't see. But we can feel it, right? Friendship should be protected. Friendship should be protected. So, what is the answer here? Yes, friendship is the abstract noun. Okay. And next one, I am charmed by the beauty of this book. So, what will be? Yes, tell me. Yes, am charmed by the beauty. Beauty is the abstract noun. Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. So, the abstract noun is truth. Okay. Now turn the next page. Justice will rule. Justice will rule. Here abstract noun is justice. Okay. That family lives in poverty. That family lives in poverty. So what is the correct abstract noun in this sentence? Yes, tell me students. Abstract noun is? Yes. Question what ma? That family. Poverty is the abstract noun. Okay. He was an ache swimmer in his childhood. So what is the abstract noun in this sentence? Yes. Abstract noun is childhood. Okay. Underline. Now write down abstract nouns for the given words. So truthful, abstract noun. Truthfulness. Write down fast students. Truthful. Truthfulness. Okay. Next, manhood. 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 Okay. Next, see here, hardship. 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 Okay. Next, wide is width. width. Tell me students, wide, width. Width spelling, can anyone tell? width. Okay, width, width. Next, rich. Yes, rich, richness. R-I-C-H, rich, N-E-S-S. Richness, rich, yes, richness. Okay. Next, powerful, peaceful. Peaceful? Yes, tell me, peaceful. Yes, peaceful is peacefulness. Peacefulness. What? Yes, peaceful, peacefulness. Okay. And now last here, this exercise. See, write the following using possessive nouns. So we have to use the possessive nouns. My father hanky fell on the floor. So how can we write? My father's hanky fell on the shop. Okay, fell on the floor. Shall we write? Yes, write neatly, students. My mother's hanky, H-A-N-K-Y, hanky. Next, see here, my mother's hanky fell on the floor. Fell on the floor. Full stop. Okay. My mother's hanky fell on the floor. Next, Susie doll had red hair. How can we change this? Using apostrophe nouns. See here, Susie does had red hair. Shall we write? Yes, Susie's doll had red hair. Okay, write Susie, S-U-S-I-E apostrophe S. Susie's doll had red hair. Had red hair. H-A-I-R. Full stop. Don't forget to put the full stop. Okay. Those boys' shoes are in the cupboard. Those boys' shoes are in the cupboard. Okay. Write down. Those boys, yes, shoes. Okay. Boys means it is a plural. So for plural, where we have to put? See, T-H-O-S-C, those, B-O-Y, yes, those boys. And here we have to give the apostrophe. Why? Because it is not a singular, it is a plural word. Okay. Boys' shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes are in the neighborhood. Sorry, in the cupboard. Are in the cupboard. Cupboard spelling C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Okay. Next. See once more the answer. Those boys' shoes are in the cupboard. The woman computer was broken. How can we write? Yes, the woman's computer was broken. Shall we write? Woman. It is a singular word. Only woman. Okay. See here, the woman computer was broken. So in this sentence, what is the possessive nouns? Yes, the possessive noun. The woman's computer was broken. Write down. The WOMENS, woman's computer, COMPUTER, computer was broken. Okay, see, the woman's computer was broken, full stop. See, broken spelling once more, BROKEN, broken. Okay, next. The dog ball went into the street. So, the dog's ball, right? THE, the DOG''S. The dog's ball, BALL. The dog's ball went into the street, WENT. Went, into the street. Street spelling STREET. Street, full stop. Next, Ben brought his snack to school. Okay. How can we change into abstract? Okay. Ben mum. Yes. BEN''S, Ben's. Ben's mum brought his snack. His snack to school. Full stop. Okay. Ben's mum brought his snack to school. Okay. The children toys were left. How can we write this? The children's toys were left in the rain. Right? The CHILDRENS. The children's toys were left out in the rain. Okay, see the answer. The children's toys were left out in the rain. The girl milk spilt on the floor. Very easy. The girl's milk spilt on the floor. Okay. The girl's milk spilt okay. The girl's milk spilt on the floor. On the floor. FLOOR. See the answer. The girl's milk spilt on the floor. And what is the next question? Tony's sister fell off the swing. Yes. Tony, not Tony's. Tony's. Tony's sister. 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 Tony's sister fell. Fell. Fell off. Fell off. Where we write Tony's sister fell off the swing. Fell off the swing. SWING. Full stop. Okay. And next, see students, the pan handle was very hot. So how can we write? The pans, right? THE, the PAN apostrophe S. The pans, HANDLE, handle, was very hot. Was very hot. Okay. Write possessive nouns as shown. Okay. See, father, fathers. So what can we write, students? Possessive nouns. Okay. See, father, fathers, answer already given. Like that, parent, parents. PARENT apostrophe S. Okay. Officer, officers. OFFICER apostrophe S. Officers. Lady. Yes, tell me. Lady. Yes, ladies, right? LADYS, ladies. Okay. And next, see the next part here. Woman. Woman. Yes. Woman's, right? WOMAN apostrophe S. Okay. Sofa. Sofas. SOFA apostrophe S. Sofas. Next, children. Children. Children's. CHILDRENS. Okay. Children's. Apostrophe S. Apostrophe is very, very important for every. Okay. Next word, students. Write possessive nouns as shown. So here possessive nouns are given. We have to. Sorry students, one more. Officer over. And lady. Ladies. Completed B. And one more, eighth one. See, children, children's, right? Sofa, sofas, like that. Men, men's. MEN apostrophe S. Okay. Turn the next page. Frame phrases using possessive nouns using the picture clues. So here we can see the clues. We have to give the what? Yes, the owner and what is the thing. See here one example. What is this? Accounts, right? Whose accounts? It is squirrels. Like that. See here, what is this picture? It is an axe. Whose axe is this? It is farmers. So, write the spelling. Farmer apostrophe S. Axe. A-X-E. Okay. And next see balloon. So, whose balloon is this? Yes, it is a friend's balloon. Write down. Friend apostrophe S. Friends balloon. Balloon spelling what? Balloon. Right? And now see what is this picture. Yes, students like this very much. No? Yes, what is this? It is a candy, right? Whose candy is this? You can write any names. I will write Rita. Rita apostrophe S. Rita's candy. Candy. Okay. And next see what is this? Yes, it is a bowl. Whose bowl it is? I will write it is my sister's bowl. So you can write your own. Sister. Yes, sister's bowl. Bowl spelling Bowl. Bowl. Okay. And see the next. What is this picture? It is a bun, right? Whose bun is this? You can write whose, but I will write Susie's. Okay. SUSIE apostrophe S BUN. Bun. Okay. Now see, this is a cup of coffee, right? Yes, whose coffee cup is this? Father's. So shall we write? FATHER apostrophe S. Father's. COFFEE coffee. CUP cup. Okay. Father's coffee cup. Next see. What is this? Yes, it is a pillow. Whose pillow it is? I will write girl's pillow. GIRL apostrophe S. Girl's pillow. PILLOW. Okay. And next it is a tin. No. Shall we give a name to this tin? Yes. BENS. Ben's tin. Okay. Ben's tin. Now what is this, students? It is an ambulance. Right? From where this ambulance came? From hospital. No. So shall we give a name? Hospital's ambulance. HOSPITAL apostrophe S. Ambulance. 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 Okay. Then what is this? Banana. Right. Whose banana it is? Monkey's banana. Always monkeys eat banana. Right. Yes. MONKEY apostrophe S. Monkeys. Banana. 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 Okay. Monkeys. Banana. And the next one is, what is this? It is a sofa. Right. Whose sofa it is? Neighbor's sofa. I will write. You can write your own. Okay. NEIGHBOUR apostrophe S. Neighbor's sofa. SOFA. Okay. And with this we completed our chapter. And write neatly and send to me through the WhatsApp group. Have a nice day.